How to measure for a Titan sliding patio security screen door featuring the Meshtec advanced screen system. First, determine if your main patio door and track are vinyl or metal and record. If you have a vinyl door, a metal track insert designed to bear the added weight of the patio security screen door will be provided. Next, determine what type of patio screen door track your patio door has, as shown in the diagram, to identify the correct measurement points. If you have a center channel track, measure height from inside the top pocket to the center rail at the bottom. If you have a center rail track, measure from tip to tip of the top and bottom center rails. Take a height measurement at 3 points, left, center, and right, and record the shortest measurement. Now measure the patio screen door opening width from the surface of the side pocket where the patio screen door will latch to the near edge of the vertical style of the main patio door stationary glass panel as shown, and record. Next, measure the depth of the patio screen door side pocket on the latch side from the surface where the patio security screen door will latch to the edge of the pocket as shown, and record. If there is no pocket, this measurement is 0. If your tape measure has a long end tab that will not fit into the pocket, use a ruler to get an accurate measurement. Now measure the height of the latch side pocket from the top edge of the bottom pocket to the bottom edge of the top pocket as shown, and record. Finally, determine which side the handle will be on. This is the same as the latch side. Looking at the door from outside the home, record whether placement of the handle will be right or left side. And that's all there is to measuring your patio screen door opening for a Titan sliding patio security screen door with the Meshtec advanced screen system.